Open the door first. And open the money withdrawal door. Remove the nut holding the baffle with 7 mm sleeve. Take out the baffle after removing the nut. Remove the cash box before installing the banknote. Then, the paper money device is installed, according to the position of the stud. And fix the nut with a sleeve. Screw the door panel. Remove them using a Phillips screwdriver. Then thread the MDB extension cable through the reserved space behind the door panel. And line it along the grooves in the side panels of the door. Secure the door panel after placing the wire. Connect the extension cord to the banknote. Pay attention to the terminal of the cable. Install the cash drawer. Run the extension cord through the hole in the storage area. Wear to the exit stick module area. Then connect to the black MDB board. And put the serial line of the black MDB board. Connect to the COM2 port of the screen. And tighten the set screw. Locate the spare 24V power cord in the output paper stick module area. Finally, connect the 24V to the power line of the black MDB board. Enter the background of the screen. Click Other. Find the paper money device communication mode. Select WMDB. Back to click to payment way. Choose mixed payment. Finally, power off and restart the banknote dispenser. Wait for the banknote dispenser to colorful light up before it can be used normally.